From the 2010 model year up until at least 2025 model year, the Subaru Outback has had these built-in crossbars up here where you can have them mounted like this, and if you need them, you can move it like this here and do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna move this away from the sunroof. I'm gonna get this over here and get this over there. And once they are over there, find the proper mounting points. For this part, it would be here, and of course it has two mounting points. So we could put it here, but we can't do that. That'll be for another point if you really wanted to do that. And now you have your crossbars for when you do need them. And this is for when you don't. Now, I don't know if this is going to stick around for the 2026 model year, but we shall stay tuned. I've always found it pretty interesting because you can have the crossbars in this position when you don't need them, and then rotate the crossbars and put them in place when you do need them. So let me know in the comments below what you think.